Hey guys, I'm your host ATA aka Anand. For the first time ever on this channel, I'm making two wrestlers in one figure. Jacob Fatu and Uncle Howdy, shall we? This is the Fiend, a custom figure made in 2020. He originally had a tongue, but not anymore. It's sad that he passed away 2 years ago, but now his legacy will live on as he passes the torch to two new wrestlers who resembles him the most. Okay, we gotta strip down his attire so we can move on and make Jacob Fatu. Starting with the hair, it came out super easy. Now check out the mask. 5 years later and still the details hold up. And I'm proud of this one, but it's time to say goodbye. It's pretty hard for me, but it has to be done. This mask is going straight to my personal vault. Now I'll be removing the attire one by one to match Jacob Fatu. Cover Bray's tattoo with white paper tap. Add skin with brown parcel tap. Use black sticker for the pants and black insulation tape for this t-shirt. For removable wrist tabs, sandwich two pieces of insulation tab so it doesn't stick. Secure with more tab. And now it's ready to sap later for Uncle Howdy. Now let's make a custom head sculpt. If you like to freehand draw like me, then you can use a pencil for the rough sketch and add more further details using a CD marker. Or you can use a custom head sculpt if you have any, or are not broke like me. Use a black tape for the beard.
Use black insulation tape and twist the tapes to form braids.
Add ears using red CD marker. Now seal the deal with cello tape. And for the final touches, give red highlights in the braids using red sticker. And add extra details using black tape.
Cut those cello tape into a very thin 3-piece to put 2 on the left and 1 on the right.
And there we have it, the Samoan Werewolf Jacob Fatu. It's a basic attire from WrestleMania 41.
Where he won United States Championship for the first time.
And those braids, that look very realistic. You can even fold them back if you want to. And also, he can hit his infamous wild dance. Okay, now let's compare. Let's do a before and after with the Fiend.
I think the Fiend Bray Wyatt figure is perfect match for making Jacob Fatu.
What a crazy transformation. Now that Fatu is done, you know who's up next, right?
Yaramin Fatu!
We cannot just replace Fiend and not make Uncle Howdy. We only need to make two things, the gloves and the mask. Starting with the glove, take a rubber band, tape the ends and slide it on the right arm. Wrap it with the white tape.
Don't stick it with the sticky part. Try to do the opposite so you can remove it whenever you want, like an actual glove. Now use a black sticker to cover the entire glove on top of white paper tag. After that, cut small pieces of red sticker and place it on the gloves.
Add the red highlights to the stickers and fill with white marker.
If you don't have a white marker, you can use a gray glitter pen.
Seal it all with the cello tab after it's done. And for the mask, use a tissue as a base over Fatu's head. Preserve the shape with cello tab. Cover with gray sticker. Draw details with CD marker.
Cut those extra pieces we just marked. You can add few extra details using white marker for 2 eyebrows and his mustache.
Red and black CD marker for the mouth and some gray shading using a pencil. And for the beard, use black insulation tab. Also, for the gray highlights, use a gray glitter pen.
There are 4 balls, 2 in each side of his mask. You can keep them using a white marker and highlight it with a black CD marker.
After it's done, seal everything with cello tab. And for a longer hair, use a paper tab and use pencil for highlights. Seal it and cut it into the shape.
Remove the insulation tabs that you used on both hands. Also, it's time to remove the rubber band from the gloves.
And there you have it. Bray Wyatt has officially passed the torch to Uncle Howdy. Huge respect to Bo Dallas for continuing Bray Wyatt's legacy. If you ask me, the only thing missing is a left wrist tab, like Bray used to have. It would have been perfect. Now let's compare both brothers before and after. Theoretically and practically, Bray Wyatt still lives on Bo Dallas. And to honor this tribute, let's give our custom-made Fiend Championship to Uncle Howdy as a token of appreciation. Now it feels completed. I hope WWE can somehow manage to give this championship to Uncle Howdy. And for those who aren't asking, here's how fast you can swap between Uncle Howdy to Jacob Fatu. Remove Howdy's right glove first. Add the left wrist tape and extra hand tapes, 2 on the left and 1 on the right for accuracy. 2 figures in 1. Reverse the steps and you're back to Uncle Howdy. And finally, take off the mask to reveal the Samoan werewolf underneath. And voila! That's how we change Uncle Howdy into Jacob Fatu! And if you love this concept, smack that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more never seen before content. And until next time, thank you for spending your valuable time from the channel.
Peace out.
That is continually being ripped open by an echo of a presence that is no more. You don't forget. You can only accept that